Hey everyone, welcome back to Juragan English Channel.
Hello. I am Alex, and today we have the most colourful and exciting episode we have ever made.
That is right. Today we are talking about two of the most exciting things in entertainment right now.
We are talking about K-pop and the thrilling world of Demon Hunter. And trust me, this episode is so fun.
So if you love K-pop, action, incredible music, and want to practice English, this is perfect for you.
Before we start, please hit subscribe and turn on the notification bell right now.
Okay, Alex, let us start with K-pop because I think most of our viewers already love it so much.
Yes, K-pop is one of the most powerful and most globally influential music phenomena of the modern world.
In English, phenomena means extraordinary things or events that attract massive attention and widespread interest.
Globally influential means having a significant and far-reaching impact on people all around the entire world.
In English, we can say, K-pop stands for Korean pop music, a genre that originated in South Korea in the 1990s.
Genre means a category or style of music with its own distinctive characteristics and recognizable features.
Originated means first started and developed in a particular place before spreading to other parts of the world.
What makes K-pop so unique and so addictive is the incredible combination of everything it offers.
Addictive means so enjoyable and compelling that once you start, you find it very hard to stop consuming it.
K-pop combines amazing music, jaw-dropping choreography, stunning visuals, and incredibly dedicated fandoms.
Choreography means carefully planned and coordinated dance movements performed to music by a group of performers.
Stunning visuals means incredibly beautiful and impressive images, music videos, outfits, and stage productions.
In English, fandoms means communities of extremely passionate and dedicated fans of a particular artist or group.
In English, we can say, K-pop fandoms are among the most passionate and most organized fan communities in the world.
Organized means working together in a structured and coordinated way to support and promote their favorite artists.
K-pop fans stream music, vote in awards, trend hashtags, and support their idols in every possible way.
Stream means listening to or watching content online through platforms like Spotify or YouTube repeatedly.
Trend hashtags means making a specific topic appear at the top of social media trending lists through mass posting.
In English, idols means the K-pop artists themselves, performers who are admired and worshipped by their fans.
Now let us talk about what makes K-pop artists so incredibly special and different from Western pop stars.
Oh yes, the training system behind K-pop artists is unlike anything else in the entire music industry.
In English, training system means the structured program used to develop artists' singing, dancing, and performance skills.
K-pop trainees spend years, sometimes 5 to 7 years, training intensively before their official debut.
Trainees means people who are learning and developing their skills under the guidance of an entertainment company.
Debut means making your first official public appearance as a professional artist or performer.
In English, we can say, K-pop idols are some of the most highly trained and most versatile performers in the world.
Versatile means capable of doing many different things skillfully, singing, dancing, acting, and modeling all at once.
They must be able to sing live perfectly while performing incredibly complex dance routines simultaneously.
Simultaneously means doing multiple different things at exactly the same time, all at once without compromise.
In English, we can say, the level of dedication and discipline required to become a K-pop idol is truly extraordinary.
Now let us talk about some of the biggest and most globally recognized K-pop groups in the world today.
Yes, let us start with the group that literally took over the entire world, the legendary BTS.
In English, we can say, BTS is a 7-member South Korean boy group that became a global cultural phenomenon.
7-member means the group consists of 7 individual artists all performing together as one united team.
BTS performed at the United Nations, appeared on the biggest American talk shows, and filled massive stadiums worldwide.
In English, we can say, BTS broke countless records and proved that K-pop could conquer the entire global music market.
Conquer means to successfully overcome and dominate, winning completely against all competitors and obstacles.
The BTS fandom, called the ARMY, is one of the most powerful fan communities in all of music history.
In English, we can say, the ARMY's dedication to streaming and promoting BTS music is truly unmatched anywhere.
Another incredibly popular K-pop group is Blackpink, the most successful K-pop girl group of all time.
In English, we can say, Blackpink became the first K-pop girl group to headline the prestigious Coachella Festival.
Headline means to be the main and most important act at a major music festival or concert event.
Prestigious means highly respected and admired, one of the most important and celebrated events in its field.
Blackpink members Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, and Lisa have each built massive individual careers beyond the group.
In English, individual careers means each member pursuing their own separate projects and achievements independently.
In English, we can say, Blackpink's global impact on fashion, music, and culture has been absolutely extraordinary.
Now let us talk about the incredibly exciting world of Demon Hunter and its connection to K-pop culture.
Yes, the Demon Hunter universe is one of the most thrilling and visually stunning action concepts right now.
In English, we can say, Demon Hunter combines breathtaking action, supernatural elements, and incredible visual storytelling.
Supernatural elements means things that exist beyond the natural world. Magic, demons, special powers, and mythology.
Visual storytelling means communicating a narrative through stunning imagery, cinematography, and artistic design.
What makes Demon Hunter so exciting for K-pop fans is the incredible crossover between music and action.
Crossover means combining two different genres, styles, or worlds to create something completely new and exciting.
In English, we can say, the Demon Hunter aesthetic perfectly matches the dark and powerful visual style of K-pop.
Aesthetic means the overall visual style and artistic feeling of something, how it looks and the mood it creates.
K-pop music videos already have incredibly cinematic and dramatic visual production, very similar to action films.
Cinematic means having the qualities of a great film, beautiful camera work, dramatic lighting, and epic storytelling.
In English, we can say, many K-pop music videos blur the line between music performance and short action films.
Blur the line means make the distinction between two different things less clear and harder to separate.
Groups like ATEEZ, Stray Kids, and aespa have all created incredibly dramatic and action-packed music videos.
Action-packed means full of exciting and fast-moving action sequences, never slow or boring for even a moment.
In English, we can say, ATEEZ, in particular, is known for their incredibly theatrical and epic performance style.
Theatrical means having a dramatic and elaborate quality, like a grand performance on a massive stage.
And aespa has built an entire fictional universe around their music that feels like a full fantasy action world.
Fictional universe means a completely imaginary world with its own rules, characters, and ongoing storylines.
In English, we can say, aespa's concept of each member having a digital avatar creates a fascinating dual reality.
Digital avatar means a computer-generated version of each member that exists in a virtual and digital world.
Dual reality means two different realities existing alongside each other, the real world and the virtual world.
Now let us talk about why K-pop is such a powerful tool for learning English as a second language.
Oh yes, this is so relevant for all of us here at Juragan English Channel. K-pop really does help you learn.
In English, we can say, K-pop exposes learners to natural English phrases through songs, interviews, and variety shows.
Exposes means introduces and makes you familiar with something through regular and repeated contact with it.
Variety shows means entertainment programs featuring games, challenges, and conversations with K-pop artists.
Many K-pop idols speak English fluently and regularly communicate with their international fans in English.
In English, we can say, watching K-pop idols speak English is incredibly motivating for English language learners.
Motivating means inspiring and encouraging you to try harder and believe more strongly in your own ability.
K-pop songs also often include English phrases and hooks that make them incredibly catchy and fun to sing.
Hooks means the most memorable and most repeated parts of a song, usually the catchiest and most addictive lines.
Catchy means so easy to remember and so pleasant that the melody stays in your head long after hearing it.
In English, we can say, singing along to K-pop songs is a fantastic and enjoyable way to practice English pronunciation.
Thank you so much for watching today. You are truly amazing, and we mean every single word.
See you in the next episode of Juragan English Channel.
Bye everyone. Keep learning, keep streaming, and keep smiling every single beautiful day.
You got this. See you next time on Juragan English Channel.